In this video, I will introduce you to color correction inside Photoshop using Adobe Camera Raw. We are going to color correct this image from this look to this look. Let's begin. Now, while color correction and color grading sound very similar, they are not actually the same. Color correction is simply the process of bringing back colors which ought to be but are not there. Meanwhile, color grading is simply the process of adding stylized colors to have a specific or desired look. The main aim of this video is to bring back the green grass here in the background, and to do that we need color correction. To start, let's convert the background into a smart object. You can either do that by right clicking here and choosing convert to smart object, or you go to filter and choose convert for smart filter and click OK. Then let's go to filter one more time, and then let's enable camera raw from here. Once this window opens up, let us first start by resetting it. You move down here and then you hold the Alt key, that will be the option key. You will get this reset button there. Click on it to reset these tabs here. If I click once on the image, you see that apart from color correction, we also have to deal with this noise. So let us start by removing the noise. I'll expand the details tab here and simply increase the noise reduction slider, and the noise is gone. To see the before and after, click on this button here. Then choose before and after left and right. Let's close the details tab and let's expand the basics. Inside here you can adjust the exposure, the highlight, the shadows and all these other settings. I'll zoom in here and then dehaze the image. It is washed out, so dehaze is going to make these portions here more visible. I'll click here and expand it. 70 is a good value. You can see the before and after this way. We can also add a little bit of clarity to the whole image. Then let us close the basics tab. To color correct the grass here, let us open the color mixer. We have the hue, saturation and luminance. If you need to see all these sliders at once, you can click on all. Then you can scroll up and down to see all the values. I prefer to select them individually, so I'll click on hue to have the sliders for hue. So if at all your image has a lot of red, you can play with the red slider to have the look or color that you want. In this image, I need to reduce the yellow to bring back more of the green. So I'll come to the yellow slider here, and if you drag it towards this direction, you simply add or increase. So let's reduce the yellow by dragging it to the opposite direction. 78 looks good, and we recover most of the green. Let us also come to the green slider here and drag it up. Now I have the look that I want. Apart from adjusting just the hue is another word for color. Apart from adjusting just the hue, we can also click on saturation and decide to either add yellow or add green. So if the green is too much, we can reduce it by desaturating the green just like so. I think let us increase it to +16, and let's reduce or desaturate the yellows to have this more natural look here. You can also play with the luminance. The luminance is just like the brightness of that particular slider. If I increase the brightness of the green, we just make the green brighter, as you can see. I prefer to leave it to 0. Now I have all the details I wanted, so I'll come down here and commit the changes by clicking OK. And we have successfully color corrected this image. To see the before and after from Photoshop, you can toggle the filter here. This is the before and this is the after. So this is how you can easily color correct an image inside Photoshop using Adobe Camera Raw. It is a very powerful plugin which comes bundled with Photoshop, and it makes a whole lot of sense. We have not even scratched the surface of what Camera Raw can do, but I think you get the basics right now. If you find this video very helpful, give us a like and support our channel by subscribing. I'm going to see you in the next one tomorrow. Bye bye.